Abusia memo akwaba ena so da foforo bi wa ye de ahia me na Monday ena ye jiwada ena holiday on the 6th April 2026 wo ewiabre 2 o'clock a wo de ehweme medin de Laisha Malope amemfa nchia kase ema wo kra biara wo hweme ba bia wo hweme firi bia mechia papa. Okay, abusia yanko yenim yamro nsam so. Suspect armed robbers reportedly block and detain 52 Ghanaian trucks carrying onion in Samia Kabi State, Nigeria for 3 days. Ghana adeshie Ghana adrawa for mako 52 trucks akofa jeneni ade free Niger wo modu Nigeria kurumo no na Nigeria for say aha Burkina de embassy nko hwan de embassy nko Benin de embassy nko Togo de embassy nko Cote d'Ivoire de muntwam nko Ghana for duru onom se mo wu kurankaye enti Ghana trucks mako 52 no woma kidnap trucks no mako 52 Nigeria for ne se womo mpene ne woma kidnap for 3 good days. Abusia eya ro se bo country bia de duru Nigeria no omo kwan se womo nko Ghana for de duru ho no ya kidnap wo Nigerians. Abusia the Sato Subium Ora Sam George enkomo bi a wadi atwam no de di kan obeka ningo pram akwan obra na Ekufuado na se MPP aban ewoso no ne ni brepa amoka sa se ningo pram eye Ghana akwan no enye na enemebo ne sa old video no na me di akyere ono ankasa Owura Sam George bisa ne se ebra NDC fo ba so omo keka ko mutu yesi ngo pram kwan akosisen abusia ene ye bedi nkomo papa na mesra so benya bre ene nkomo ne mu hwam ti mesra wo se wo benya bre na wo di atena o TV ho na wahwe Malope Malope TV Ghana so bi nkomo di so na de di ka no dwumako bi so masene na me di dwumadi ebrawo mepacha wo ye dwadini wabie choba ene ade a ebia wo de banchi na wo fufuo ope banchi ekes ato opese wo nko afuo na nkase mu mpe kwanchen opese wo de truck ekọ afuo nim se ye agboro awo ene de yenwoye opese wo de truck ekọ ene ekes dodo bi a ope bi a ye ready ewo Eastern region kro bi efre ho asamankese kwabo ankwanta woduru a na wo de frɛ number ya me de etudwen banchi na wo pe egboro na wope emono anase de enya mono de yetutu asi ho na wope mu amode mo ye twoba mo no anuane ne ade anase wopesa wo export kora ko baabi a eye focus ya mi huni ekes ne kora ka me pa chofa number no 0542 537295 0542 537295 ko na so kotobi aya asamanka se ko abo ankwata de frɛ number ne keke na ji information no sanso na chief oboafo se men kan tro se yare bi da wo so aye ko anko se ye stroke en yade osa yade biara eye sunsun yade se ya bodu ya se ya to aduro chief oboafo se okita spiritual married de na ekoso bema ne bema adum kira ban agini to chief oboafo se men kan tro se fu ne kira tamale anase kumase fa ne number no oso bebo papa usika sem na enye skato nsem a na aye basa chief oboafo se men kan tro se wa ye ready so obebo papa ebusia ye beko yenim ne di nkomo mami enchi a chief inspector mami chief inspector Mensa Inspector Mensa michia na mechia asomdwe WhatsApp group wa wo pesa obeka asomdwe WhatsApp group ne say 103 kwa ne ye koye me gidi se entan kopem December ne yetwa mu 200 asomdwe WhatsApp group eye Ghana me pacho enra bibi koso me pacho say ye ba group no America aka Sɛ yɛmfa MPP ne NDC nto hɔ ɔmbɛboa yɛn a ankanyɛ yɛte bia mu nie yɛmfa NDC ne MPP nto hɔ ne yɛnwene Ghana ɛkwan bɛ ne yɛbɛfa so ɔma no ɛbɛkɔ n'anim ɛbisa mɛda wase ma mentwa me ho se mapɛ mmra yɛba a yɛmbɔ wura mu medin Elisha Malope. Stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Yeah, never fat. Yeah. Hey, rhyme on it. Another one time.
Fresh on the mix.
Malope, why you be? Yasin net your ultimate stretch. So for Montier, your wado ye. Malope, Bellema could for Benny. If you could see any who I gave him, the Rubona Trafaman on in your brief. Malope TV, where dear Yamidi. It is so maybe some say TV Ben American, American. Malope TV. 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 Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. They got great things for me, so I don't care what them say. Anytime I wake up in the morning, I tune into Malope. Omu News is so powerful, so I don't care what them say. Cause their style is so different, need no dividends. Sound me clear, you can hear from a distance. Assembly CR will report on an instant. Team antenna, I don't do that. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in me, baby. Hey. Malope, your programs is driving me crazy. Tell me share why I'm in me, baby. Hey. Yeah, I said we've got you covered for your advert. Yeah, Juma, from sunrise to the sunset. TV station, a fufu running now, yeah, concert. A banner picture quality, I'm Malope, we come first. Malope TV. 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 Malope, your program is driving me crazy. Let me share why I'm in TV, baby. Hey.
Abusia sɛ yɛtwa yɛn ho abasemade a ɛne na yɛmmɔwura nsɛm ne mu ansana mede Nigeria fo makɔ kidnap Ghana tracks ne adeɛ no ma yɛni kan enko Ghana deɛ so Maminchia, the president of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Me jiri said na hoye na mamimisa say ye vice president no owo ho if you say ye ntenenka owo ho dia and na me chia no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama me pese ene on the 6th April 2026 juada ne wo hwe me and then I think because of the Easter nti mo declare a holiday why are there nyakran kentu yemo sa na so adwuma sem nti mami mi say ene NDC aba ne say ene ane yekoto aba ana say akanna kakra bi ne yekoto aba ana mo ye campaign a mesere wo edi anso na mo begina ye campaign aka kire omamu no say anatemamu fon say wonyina we so mfanto aba mam His Excellency, with all due respect, Daddy, maybe so be him. Say, and yet 6 April 2026, Juada holiday, and this year campaign. A dear son of Mubejina, I can't tell him for say, ye buy ye, a kufuado aban ye pamu, womo amunya yen, and this formu GD to Abama ye, ye buy ye winny, and ye are yard dear, and to Munina some fun to Abama. We are NDC ni ana we are Ghana ni na wo hwɛ me fa answer na bra comment section e de no mbegina so aka obi beka say Malope is doing politics say they may politics if you say oh, I have to talk for my country e was say men kasama me my Ghana empanifo ne de ya adwene di agoro wahu ena me ne wo kasai petrol ne e kosoro mahama because ebere bi wo beti petrol so se hu ya ema na video nam TikTok ne ade obetimi kotofu na ohwie gu fam no mo boje wo so ma hama ene petrol ne kostro ene dollar 11 cedis. Oh Charlie hwe yempanifo temamufo no sabe ye ni teba wo dia moye no ye hu dia moye no ye hu sesei mama wo bie wano a ase min suro men kan medical ka say you came for foreigners not the citizen edien na wo ye de aboa wo man Ganafo okay hwenya padia osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah no yeto ho mo si hu nkonya wo parliament da say ejapadia yen kanefo edikanfo de be ye no a aka wirem na esen anka sanu amane wo ho a anka temamufo yen ba yentimi mbi adwumen ko benya adwuma aye munka ho asam da biara da eso ene who issue say 25th May will be a free visa say Africa, all African countries ebetumi oko apply visa untua foku eye free visa brabet na wo manim na ampa mi bisa say that ye upa somdwa ma oman de eye oman Ghana upa somdwe debi papa NDC fu atwa ho ahia bloggers atwa ho ahia di omu bedi nti wo muntumi nkyekere no kore ne nka nkyero ba me meka no kora kyero se de wonya nim gu ase daache saa de ne de wana kan ye twam no free visa again if you say mahama hwewufie asetena pa wo mene wo kasai endura wo bi de kom na dayo edi ntia onya kwadwofo adwuma ni wo manim wo beton nsuo ana de hwe ne masku pure water was on traffic ewie bono nyame ampata kora na ka bia ba betwi afa no so ukwa abrochira dia wonko school wo Ghana hada wanya opportunity akwa abrochira ye adwuma adentia abrofo na make system no correctly to do ha ajo ye kwadwofo abrochire de ajo ye kwadwofo na so opadwuma nko a obeye adwuma woni bi kura no a wo ye adwuma nko a yetime bo obosia abangra bo obosia ma wotoka o ma ye system no correct mukọ abrochire munnim mubutumi aye ede na mo ye de abo aye ntimamfo wo bi free border wo ma free visa say ahoho emra mahama na uma free visa say ahoho African countries nyina amra bi ye security net sen hwaho egu kromu immigration fo ni ba bi omote na meba mo immigration fo soso adwuma no muntimi a mon kan kira ban ne say yentimi mufo to say me I'm ready to do the work and I will never take any pay from the government. Bible ka say me ewiase ye nyina nim say ade aye friend asomdwe yento say to asomdwe na menton to asomdwe na menton ede na si ya Congo wo si wo ho a wo manya asomdwe ede na koba ya Liberia wo si wo ho a wo manya asomdwe ede na ba ya Cote d'Ivoire ya African countries a basa si wo ho enam di anso na ebaaye ye misa ye ho se bia to ye nuan mu bi pendia na ye nsiesie yi John Dramani Mahama fa no magu akwamo ye free visa na wo ka no de enya de ebeboa Ghana ne medical kan nra sanhwe de basa be bro man efise timamufo ni nya dwuma nye ekomode nkrofo ani bra ba oto aye nto wo ye se ne petrol ne rise no manyina ekosoro ensuo pure water kora mwaka ekosoro na se wo saka se bibie free yembie mpohwa hoho egu kromu ha na wo sabe ka se wo bie free ma free visa de Mahama we imagine se biribisi a enkan ebeka yen a ye temamufo enti mesrew wo se wo ye assemblies of God ni wo ye Kristo ni mapade a mesrew tie Nyankopon ni ntie nipa kakra me de meka no because e kame akoye se woni mu a mama me ka no kora na akire wo me de niamate e won krofo no na me ka che o se amanfo se wonye Ghana ni anyam na me ka allegedly enkrofo se wonye Ghana ni efisi so wo kora so ma me ye step o real mom yankasa Ghana for true challenge se be ka kire yen. Who is your real mom? Ghana for enra Ghana for ni bibi kora ke ka se wo ma me yankasa o se won kwaji Ghana kare yama no efisi din a woda eda so mama for ka se indeed onye fully Ghanaian. Ebisu ka say a constitution say as a president of some country, a Ghana president will constitution say obetimi akwakodin ni wo kuro be so ana. Na eche say wo de wani mienu ehwe to abaako ma enye possible. E wo say wundum baako ne nka baako. But ene akame akwa say father my lovely Mahama wo de wani mienu ehwe to abaako. How can it be possible? His Excellency, the way am a power sempa as a pro no. And that once I quit about a pro you won't be a one. And the NDC bloggers akeka manu atum Kevin Taylor once say Kevin Taylor to me on once I want because and one match here. And one sinity ase. I won't come what they buy want to be all around Crawford this ya beji hey ya bendi. Things are missing. And one match jigu. It is said here a city guanium not the tassina yet. I'm telling you, NDC people, I'm telling you the fact. Both two parties, you guys are joking with us. You guys are using our mind to play. We are very careful. We are very careful. We are very careful. Mo dear, mo manifesto amo babo ye no MPP NDC. Mo mbeka hwenkyere say mo ba mo be yese mo ye hu say mo ntimi ye hu. Mo dear ye no amadada mo fa ya de ma yen. Ka wona bi na ne driver kodi ni sika. She can almost your friend is saying 1 month no fa say simba dey bia complain and a man for any na chi driver ni tum chi dem ka wona na hwe din no din na ni hwe soro ona say enya hwe menche no na mom on fa me petrol sika anya den ene me ka ma me ni petrol sika wo je fi driver no nso so aya asema na e say ye che driver ni because o ma petrol sika wa fa say samre no petrol sika so de ma won so a who said the petrol sika there you deserve to be arrested and sentenced to jail. Enti yesre mo Ghana fo mpanifo mo de ye de o ma ne hye mo nsa no se mo bebo mo ntimi an ya mo de ye no amadada MPP ni NDC fo ye no amadada osagefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ye man mo de mo nsan ye ya de man mo ko renew factories no a mpanifo ne ye mo de mo ko renew ya de mfa mayen period ye ni mu ni asem yede dada na ewo ho no amaba tonton monye yade mayen di amase ne ye no ma japade dada no monye yade mfamayen period ye ni muni asem ere we busia ma yenko Nigeria for akidnap 52 onion trucks aye Ghana yenko hwemra sesia
information City News ade ato ho sesia yi ekere se Ghana for omo eko nije se omo kwakoto vegetables ede ba Ghana omo edru Nigeria samia community a ewo Kebbi State ena nkrofo bi achi omo aditene tracks ahodo a ifri nije ba Ghana chese se yentumi nu ahwe ewo Ghana ye kra vegetables ansana yetumi adidi because yiswa na yetete nkurase a na yedua enema wo nkurase na nkrofo bi hu ya omo si ye nkurasefo miwa no yenso na yefidi wo ma no nanso na nkrofo bi ebie o ma no ekasa tia en efre ye nkurasefo besi nne nyina nkrofo bi fre ye nkurasefo hwe ebe kakra aduane ye bedi eho be yedina ma yempa ye neighboring nations a atwa ye ho ahia ye ko mo se koto niema e de aba na nkrofo ato ahye yenso ade ntina in Ghana yentumi enu ahwe emfa support ye ho vegetables yentumi enua babi o man Ghana adunu no kyerese ya moko agricultural farmers ekesati o ma aduru baabi asesanka yefidi o ma na obi ampeso obedo I know Uncle Do because Uncle Do be anim uye kuenia na nkrofo kese tiawo nkrofo bom paye etia farmers adan a omom pese ombe wale farmers uye farmer uye hiani ye Ghana nko a ene Africa ene kasati obi a woye farmer anzo woko amanone a farmers eye nkrofo a omoye sikafo
Asia yenu ya be me yakasa na amemfa humfoni ento ho good suspect armed robbers Nigeria for a kidnap at Ghana this year omachi nipa cheka according to this video and this picture not me according to this video ya wutie ye and this picture Ghana wọ́n sẹ́ yẹn pẹ́nifọ́ abúrò wọ́n mu di yẹn na wọ́n mu ntumi mmie nyuma na wọ́n nyɛ serious sɛ wọ́n bɛ boa Ghana temamufoɔ nti yɛ wɔ ha nansenya ne yɛ te sɛ Burkina Faso Ghana de hyɛ kwa kɔfantos ɛma yɛ kɔ kidnap wɔn ku binom yɛ wɔ ha ani yɛ sa te sɛ nkosua a wɔn de kɔ Burkina foɔ gye nkosua ne sɛ nkosua ne nyɛ mpɛnifoɔ sɛ mo hu ene saa sɛm we yante ho hwe president yante ho hwe besine ayɛ foolish case kamia koyɛ sa to yire nkyam to temamufoɔ Ghana foɔ wɔ baabi a yente hwe ɛso ɛbra akwa no frɛ no ho anwan na ɔso ɔpɛ so sin kingdom wɔ Ghana edi nsɛmfo no a yɛyɛ protest no Nigeria sɛ vice president sɛ hwan ɔba no ɛba Ghana ɛbɛhyia John Dramani Mahama Osoku Jato Abrokwa kan sɛ mo be protect Nigeria for ɛsɛ yɛn yɛ fun okay ne toso bi ene according to this news 52 Burkina de du hɔ yɛ sɛ wo kɔ country bia de ebedu obi yɛ sɛ kɔ Ghana de du no sɛ mo Ghana for Nigeria for na ɛka wo yɛ bɛkyerɛ mo mafia 3 days o ma mo nsu anom mo city Ghana drivers yi ene wo mo ekofa jene 52 mini hobby news no na eka se news ni kan no nkyerɛkyerɛm na mimi kyerɛm mo hwɛnsa se yantam da mpanifo yɛ mpanifo bi no mo ya bro papa Ghana for mpanifo bi no politicians bi no mo ya bi ya bro wudifoɔ na brabafo akohwifo atrimodenfo abaifo ebinom enti sɛ wogire sɛ wow fam kokot me se ebinom enti sɛ wonim sɛ papa fo na ka no nka wo de ne fa me say some Ghanaian politicians mo ebi ya wudifoɔ ebi ya akohwifo na nyame betua wo mo ne wo masefo ka ebinom me take such a news as a minimum drone come ho me take such a news as a me top munko ye wasase yantam esan se aban bi obebe bi andwene akuafo ho no nwene timamfo nti ene kokko kura na aye basa manfo twa wom kokko gu e de ya de foforo Yakobi manso ekofantos Yakobi manso kofa jeni hwede akoto wom news no na eka enti say your false news di ene na news yi mun koche wom anyame so allegedly your news no ka no report aba na me ka biye say 52 aden His Excellency, me jidi say, what? Yeah, here to see I'm a TV so I make a say. Mamin could be president at them and can asamanya no kurantono so. ND 24 hours, you bet me. That means oka bone dia politicians and ete, yaka papa dia woman te. Oka bone no ma say, omutie, o say. Oka papa dia fa Jimmy Flo or woman tie papa. Yeah, it's true. Mame meka biribi I'll be arrested within a seconds. But make a dear yanny, get out the hill. Hey, Monsheni ye. Now one day. 50. So you see, Nigerians kidnap 52 trucks, Ghanaians. Ewo Kurobenso, Samia Kebi State, Ewo Nigeria for 3 days. Oma kidnap Ghana for Brom. Nigerians, and we are here. So such you could in any also. Charlie, I have said 25th of this month we are coming out. Samahama woha na ajewu nsemwa, you just step down for us. Amaka say MPP ni NDC no. We are Ghana ni amaka no, they can never help us. And to be business say malope yenye den. Yempe yo CPP, yo the base, yo hwan. Yenkle NDC ni MPP, yenchekere wom fa umkotupum. If you say ewo mutum se we beba bedi so 8 years obeko we beba bedi so 8 years obeko we sai ntina nya de besesa adu bre wo se menu mienu yen clear do these two parties, they have nothing good for us. Omu ni bibi papa bia de ma we the citizen of the country. The base is there, some of the parties are there, you see. A boss I said 24-hour economy. Where is it? Now no presenter be interview. One NDC communicator to top up paswa. Abanju makuo ben na 24-hour economy. I want to ask. Abanju makuo ben. Ene fu na ekosori. Munka no kore politicians. I remember the former president of Ghana, John Ejekum Kofuor. Is it John Ejekum Kofuor? Yeah, I think so. I say, hey, who actually you different? I say, Adiano, what you actually you different? Uremwa. I mean, you giving a respect. Munkano what is happening? Sabi minimo is my opinion. It's a just suggest to me besides anase samo kosra yetrem se wonya suewe as the president menye ne oman ne plana. Muko baby kodins ya kantam ana. Ya shemo se mamu nye bibi pa mo oman na because we are even confused. Muba manu de mumubi. Muba politicians manu de ya to abane mamu wia. Mo se ye tire so ene ya pampa so ye to abani wi a ye num asem me say edu bra say wo bi be ye president of Ghana mom ye nko deep ehwehwe na say sampa indeed nipa ne ye fully Ghanaian buji a aye Ghana ni mapanti oba ya Nigeria fo din samfo no opamo wom because not dwene ne man ho on Pebasabasa. Buzia was a fully Ghanaian. Until you did it, a Buzia bre, Buzia was on there, and I quite so Bessini Kingdom. Ibo for Nquasia for so Mubesi or Kingdom. Iroba for instance, and no is so Mubesi or Musomoye, or Moba Ghana 200 years. Now Nippon on Obejina Castle about Ghana 200 years, and we're the same. Wanu Irobani no Obejina Castle about Ghana 200 years on where the same. Enti no won kwan so to abahwensemfo na kabuzia wo ho asansemfo Nigeria fo ebetumi adi enti na me say du bra so wo bi ba be the president of Ghana yanhwehwe mu yie because matete allege say NDC fo ni bebre propaganda de wo but allegedly yes NDC fo ni bebre ayo foreigners Ghana de many evidence so until I'm saying allege. Yes, most of the NDC people are foreigners, whether it is true or not. Some people have been saying, Mafoka. Obi kurasa kwa bi aminim na JJ Rollins ko fa ne free Cote d'Ivoire. Me moni di se me modin. Ai akwa bi on be ka say yes JJ na ko fa no. Yes o NDC mu a say na no odempa. Body di akodo she yefun kura ni mu no. Yes o NDC mu allegedly allege yes of Cote d'Ivoire haya ana obedu Ghana ne yesesa ne Cote d'Ivoire name and ye de Ghana name e de man and allege odi aya na de ase o me chire mu allege yes ne bra kura ya MP o se hwan e wo Cote d'Ivoire and this any power ekuta position wa Ghana ye ho beto yen allege you say allege na wo kan wo mpe manzo ma me so for my own protection there be say they make me betra kasa cause man kan o baba be so am say ko chirem and allege ti wa allege no fa de wo unim say te sa na hye hoye. I'm using wisdom to talk. Minim so bubo say Malope is not alleged. It's alleged for me. If it is not alleged for you, it's alleged for me. Aye. You see. Nkrofo akeka menam na metete allegedly. You see NDC ni bi. E NDC mu sesi a ono kora no ekeka ni tiri keka so person be president. Se Mahama kwa. Ono so person odi bie. You see JJ Rawlings, your former president, when you baby call may he so rest in peace. You saw a fan for Cote d'Ivoire or your Cote d'Ivoire, you didn't do Ghana or Sasani, didn't know. Allege, Sana man for Kakam and Mamma, Tetam, allege, you saw a Ghana name. And no banny a man a Ghana name. Allege, you saw your penny pa, NDC. When you my didn't show. Now so they show allege. Yeah, I do play also because as a mean genius and Crawford NDC for foreigners here. Allege, yes, a foreigners here. Now see, I'm a talk as a Kwame Nkrumah Liberian. Somewhere you better see as a Kwame Nkrumah Liberian. I was young quiet him. The NTO Sam George. Papa, me pronounce and Papa. Honorable Sam George. Me pe wasem woda wo koye interview bi wa brochire about LGBTQ. Na me bedi kan ya bo ningo pram. Ebra MPP waso ahoden moro a wo de kasa about ekwan no. Me wi a me ne wo kro mu ningo for bedi nkomo sisia. Me hwe sa video ne mra.
Yes sir. Just look at the road. In Akufo-Addo's hometown, the cemetery, they've done asphalt. Look at the road. This is the road to his wife's father's house. His in-laws, this is the road we have. These are not potholes. This one, Akufo-Addo's bed, even Cecilia Dapa's bed can fit inside this hole with the $1 million under it. And we have complained about this road. We've complained and complained. The Minister of Roads himself has literally said he's giving up. Because you don't know whether the problem is the roads minister or whether it is the one who is always wearing white and quoting Bible by killing all of us in this country and refusing to release money. A contractor has been put on this road, Cement Ghana, 7 years and counting. I'm hearing 2 weeks ago they came that the culverts they've even done, they are coming to remove the culverts. I'm waiting for them, they should come again. I mean, what is the meaning of this? This is Ghana. The people of Ningo Pram, the people of Afenya also deserve good roads. They also deserve good roads. What is the meaning of this? Maybe I need to organize my people and let me serve notice. Mr. President, the next time you are going to Akosombo, I will block you in Afenya. Or the next time you are going to the Volta region, I will block you in Dowenya. Yes. And make you walk on this road to see. Sure. We also pay taxes. What is this? We've begged and begged for 7 years. What crime have we committed? Because it's Sam George? You get votes here. What is the meaning of this? If the president uses this road every day, if his beautiful Rebecca uses this road every day, will he be happy? I mean, must we beg the president and his ministers to do the job we pay them a salary for? Look at the bridge. You go and look at the bridge. They are waiting for somebody to die in that bridge. For 6 months, I've been chasing them over that bridge. The day, God forbid, somebody dies there, you will see them with their sirens and air conditioning cars. Come here to come and shed crocodile tears and immediately fix the bridge. They are waiting for somebody to die. The people of Afenya and the people of Dowenya deserve a good road. What crime have we committed? This road is more of an economic road than the cemetery roads in Chebi. What is this? Mr. President, wake up and get off the chair and do the job. And your minister should get the job done. There's a contractor on this road, 7 years. What crime have we committed? Because it's Sam George. Because it's Ningo Pram. Why?
Thanks for coming to us. This is what I want.
Honorable Sam George, you see the morale. And then besides Ningo Pram Kwana, na o ko gidigidi ya wani abri a ye ma okwan kan hwe akobu akufu adui me pa cho waye mutu yes mu na mokoi e de na ekoso ni ngofo ma ya na Sam George aye Honorable Sam George, I love you. Medical can say I'm the person I'm a pewasempa. Me some people are say we are I like you. Maybe I like you, whether you like it or not. You are my friend. But I'm asking you today. Ekobano say ne ye campaign. Oba ko jina ni go pram kasi ento so aba. I'm asking. Honorable, with all due respect, my brother. Minim say me nyini che wo say woni we nyinche me bedi me birthday. Me run me 40s. Timbedim birthday on the 12th February, April ya. Akana kakra na medim birthday. Timi bisa se ene ye to aba. Ye be to aba. E dey asam na be ka kire ningo pram fo. So munyina no so mfa to aba ma. Obe ka trom say o mun to aba ma because ye be register new sim. Honorable. Oh, honorable, I'm asking you. What do you frame na fa number na frame? Obi ntimi nchechire no kran kan kire wa nipa onka no kran chobe we do you do mpe wasem me de me pe wasem to de asema me can forget it so e de na malo pay you dey forget it e ma obu mfutena umpam di na isa say is it malo pay is it making sense bisa say de ukoye campaign woni ngo pram e de na obeka kire ni ngo pram for so moto aba ma me yi me as a member of parliament me call parliament mo say kuro no ma yese ni ngo for mu de ma e de na obeka kire wom e de convince ukuro o constituency so wonyina so mfanto aba ma. Honorable, I am asking you menka bibia eno na me bisa okeke nipa wo chekere no kura ka kire na obeka sa wotan no men tan wo da Ebisa metanwa emma meduane ndi metanwa ente memfie so empeja memfie ente ma ho ofe so empeja ma ho ofe enya mehwe oman na sumdwe ene oman ne kanko nti ene hyewo ye bebo dimpa na wanyini achama minti na mechetere no kora ka kire wo se eja abofra ye bone na otwe abagu no so ontan ne ba no opene ba ne yiedie mepewu yiedie ne wodaache ene wo kra nkwaje nti mechekere no kora ka kire Owura Sam George se abana se ene ompeso aso ukoye campaign se yento so aba ede yeso na obegina ka se me ba moto amunya me mugidie esanse anya nkwa na contest ye modoso anya kura mo bawia be mienu miensa obi contestel but wo pamu wo nyina anya wo mugidie sa Sam George de se de ne ko parliament a obeye bia mayen ugina hwe kwan weni bra na wo ka kwan asenti bibi sa wayo ana minim waya frem ka o malope o mayo wayo de afrem ka hyeme na o kina me Yesu amenka sa Sam George aye ye kamia me ye campaign dia mawo waya na ana wayo. Yes, uncle, another one. Never yem family LGBTQ. Amwadi awade kan no yanko hwemra.
So we'll now have two brief comments from the floor. The first is Mr. Samuel George. Mr. George is a member of parliament from the country of Ghana. Mr. George.
Thank you very much, and all protocol duly observed. As a natural-born man, a charismatic Christian, a husband of one woman, a father of 3 children, and an elected member of Ghana's parliament, I hold the role of the family extremely sacred. I believe that the right to found a family and determine same is a right that accrues to everyone within the context and spirit of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and several other recognized international treaties like the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, and Cultural Rights. 75 years after the UDHR, the spirit and letter are more poignant than at any other time in our history. At a time in our world where supposedly progressive forces are agitating for a redefinition of the core principles of what a family is, and represent in a somewhat regressive manner, the genuinely progressive voices like those in this room must rise in defense of family, its values and protections. The concept of the natural family is under attack, and a siege is being attempted on the spirit of the Declaration of Human Rights. Let me be clear here and now, sirs and ma'ams. There is a distinct difference between sex and gender or gender identity. The pseudo-war being waged by some against the families premised on this obfuscation and literal obliteration of the distinction between sex and gender. Sex is a biological construct that transcends race, ethnicity, religion, and jurisdictional jurisprudence. Sex is binary. You're either male or female. God determines this at the moment of conception. A fetus carries either the XX or XY chromosome, determining whether it is born female or male. From my beloved Ningo Prampram constituency in Accra, Ghana, to New York, and Rio de Janeiro to Madrid or Delhi to Perth, the interpretation of XY and XX is constant. Gender or gender identity, on the other hand, is a social construct that has evolved on the peculiarities of various societies. From the onset matching the binary nature of sex, we see different recognitions of gender today across the world. There is no universality in the concept of gender or gender identity, and it is highly fluid. And as such, gender or gender identity cannot form the basis for any rights accruing in a covenant, a convention, or international treaty which seeks to be globally acceptable and binding because we have different interpretations. This is the basis for my avowed position that the letter and spirit of the UN Universal Declaration of Human Rights is apt and meets the needs of our global world today. It emphasizes in Article 2 of the rights, the rights and freedoms in the Declaration, and it's clear that there shall be no distinctions made based on sex. Yes, it says sex, not gender or gender identity. This is a definite position and must be defended by all progressive forces. The UDHR in Article 16.1 makes yet another actual position that I cherish and implore all of us to hold fast and dear. That the right to marry and found a family shall be between men and women of full age, without prejudice to their race, nationality, or religion. Yes, it says men and women, not men and men or women and women. Yet again, this is another reinforcement of the principle of sex and not gender. As a proud African, Article 2 of our African Charter on Human and People's Rights also echoes the principles of enjoyment of rights without prejudice to sex and not gender. As Africans, the role of the family is cardinal to our society and its well-being. To reinforce this, Article 18 of the African Charter recognizes the family as society's natural unit and basis. It imposes a responsibility on member states in the African Union to protect the physical health and morals of the family. Yes, it said morals of the family. It declares the family as the custodian of morals and traditional values recognized by the community. The Charter says there is no ambiguity here, that the values of family as a union between a natural-born man and woman must be protected by all of us. Against this backdrop, together with 7 of my colleagues in Ghana's Parliament, I'm sponsoring a private member's bill titled The Promotion of Proper Human Sexual Rights and Ghanaian Families Values Bill 2021 in Ghana's Parliament. In conclusion, I reference the critical role that a family plays in the development of society through the development, education, and upbringing of children. Article 18.3 and 4 of the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights declares respect for the liberties of parents and legal guardians to ensure their children's religious and moral education in conformity with the convictions of the parents and legal guardians. This right is not given to an educational board or a pressure group or a government. It is the sole right and preserve of parents in the family unit. Ladies and gentlemen here gathered at the UN headquarters in New York, the family must remain respected and recognized as the union between natural-born men and women of full age who have the right and responsibility to determine by their beliefs and in conformity with the generality of their community the details of the religious and moral education of their children in a manner that respects communal norms of public safety, public order, public health, public morality, and the fundamental rights and freedoms of the majority of their community. I thank you. Shalom.
Honorable Sam George Nyankwada Mr. Empire Tenten Mr. Ahwade Empire Honorable Sam George efe wahu ebere bi ebisa wa LGBTQ ho asem awo mo wa aban mu sisi ya no wo ka asem na no me yi a anya Ghana fo bu befu ntia no de mi yi ene wo videos ya me time ba me refresh wo mind sabe me kai wo nu ama bi na se wo rafi wo ho a na wo ho aba wo ho so e ba ne sen mate se yese chief imam kradi na no atum se ansa no be fiat asefo asase so no opese wo hu se John Dramani Mahama asan sa na mate no allegedly ansa na obefi atiatefo asase so no opese wo hu se Mahama wasan Honorable Sam George ebia wonni TikTok ebia wonko YouTube amanfo say we are arrogant omo kan ya me ya ifisa me pe wasem menu number anka ma frɛw atufo enti me dey fa social media so aka kyerɛ wo sɛ edidida eye kyanya didi prɛko na dim papa eye kyaya hunya kakra wonyame de bema wo eye kyen bebrobon nsam hyasa ensa hyase so bewi kusinam anya woto no eye kyen so bewi woso no na wakɔ atiti mu Sam George se wo kofia anu edi nkyene di makono ehira na sadome ye dia wo manfo Ghana epe menye dia wo party pe basrew wo sa me chechere no kora ka kyerɛ na bi tofo be do wunti diom pe wasem ne be yodum ba me do pe wasem me di kanka I like you so much me say menye dia wo party NDC pe ye dia o mane pe na so ukofia ye hyira wa mo anya hoden da menwene so se biribi ni ho biribi wo ho me wo personal number nka me frɔ de foto we nyina fa WhatsApp de ma na botie na woda ho a won say boy abranti opemasem arrogant na ya doso dodo ba the way wo ye no e ya doso unya hoden bi e de fighting ma Ghana about LGBTQ but na ye ma wakwanya so ho ene nti because I believe say enya akwan ni ade bebere to aba ma wo ukurom say kai papa we odu parliament be ye dwe afede ye bisa wa council gu achi o toto papa so don't do that ye Ghana fo mpanifo mo hwe no yie momubi bunhwe sabe say ya to abama mo a anya say ya say nya say ya jimi o ye nya mo mugidie te ne ya to abama mo ye nya mo mugidie te ne ya to abama mo ye sere mo montwene oman no ho hwe ba bia nkwala ko school Ghana essay be sansa mo de mo wasetena pa na mo wa hotonti yesu a eyem se yanum na keka yen ana ye pekasa ye bre omanu si apene ene blogger bi o blogger ma NDC so ba o kasa ma NDC na no me na ba o me na pesa de ne pa obi kasa ma no a no afre nipa no achia no enjaman emtimamfo ne hu se o me kasa ma party bi a emuba power omo be kame men kasa ma party bia ne men kasa ma party bia chena men pe party bia mu wanne men pe party bia mu achena me pegana enko me pegana enkoso me pegana nkanko me pegana sumdwe me pegana ye die me pre wo bia de ma no men pre me to ye party bia na wa plan se malope ni kasa malope kasa me enko bi nyanne odi sika na ba kura nyame ndome o munye ne yebeboa ye nyina ifisi ye nyina ye Ghana fo ye nyina ne yeto aba ye nyina ye tim skonfo bone a wote wo manim so man nem mo no oka hu bi enom yenka de obadwuno no nko ne ho wo ye politician awo Ghana na wo dwuno nko ane wabusia ho a Awurade ndome ho hwene wo man no ho no man no ne to aba na ma wo enya wo ge bi ne koto ma wo enya wabusia bi na meka sai kura no ya abusia Ghana is sinking. Hwede ato ye nkrofo kofa jene esan se yenni ye won saase aban ne mmoa maku adwuma nkoso no both NDC and NPP mu make adwuma nkoso ne yakofan to so ayi baby afri baby Nigeria fa kidnap yankro for 52 kohwe de yeye o see a religion mo I don't know the next obesem be si wa ha o person obedwane asomdwe WhatsApp group na mpacho number no go screen na share no 5 o person support me malope me support o jiwe fato with data na fato ye wadwuma ema oman no I am serving Ghana. I am not serving any political party. Me serve Ghana. Into person oboa me ade fa number no boa me. Dia wo bia de be boa bia. Dey fan queen because now no this is the time now mo say me interview Gabriel appear. I wanted to go out. Person me come montene be nche bi edem anya adwuma. Person me kwa bonten aye tie Ghana for how. Ne tie Ghana for sufre Nigeria for nipa bonefo yi tete. Now we wanted to go out and nyina no it's about money. Nti bacho de awo bia no obetumi de support here ne de abo adwumadi no onyankopon hyiraw onya okese aha na bre ne nyina be ma me kwan ne de adwumadi na si boni bia nto yen na yetim kwama me gidi sa wochina ye besan aba bere wase mami ntia IGP menche me kwa ko no Tete Christian Yohunu ni po de mbeko no oyegu so I wanted to sit down me and you with IGP na yedin komo mami ntia my CID boss medical ka kire me nua ba no donko se Nigeria fo no emfa ho nhihye wo no chenanko ye wa ha ne yeso obi de na no wa no hye wan esie ye gini die koso ne ekufo do twa picture de we sana chukudi eye no ne empanifo twa picture ne ade eye mesramu Nigeria fo yi me mama and my sister donko very beautiful CID boss ne wo fe papa ne wo fe papa I like you I love you. Don't mangle yourself with that guy, paramount mouth for a parent mouth. No, Nigerians are dangerous people. Or Chinabi, na ya babe yisu sa picture no. Ni ade defame o. E bia na wo fie. Ni aka somewhere ntesa e de atoso na ya na wo raho. Enu nti ana medi kan etu fo sabere. Eja no eba no, yenso anu ansa. Na de bia oso anu ebua. Nigerians are dangerous. Chonfi paramount ano ayesa ochina bibiri beso say hey malope kaye me yesunsum nipa me nya bofra manyini me wo me 40 years on the 12th year ana medi birthday nti me ka bibi a kirew bera ase makra mu nyina bye bye.
Malope TV, in God we trust.